Long ago, on a beautiful island called Motanu, lived a brave girl named Moana.
很久以前，在一座美丽的小岛莫图努伊，住着一位勇敢的女孩，名叫莫娜。
Long ago, on a beautiful island called Motanu, lived a brave girl named Moana. She loved the ocean and dreamed of exploring the wide sea beyond the reef.
她热爱大海，梦想着去礁石外的宽广海洋冒险。
She loved the ocean and dreamed of exploring the wide sea beyond the reef, but her father, the village chief, wanted her to stay and become the next leader of the island.
然而，她的父亲酋长希望她留在岛上，成为下一任领袖。
But her father, the village chief, wanted her to stay and become the next leader of the island. One day, the island's crops failed and fish disappeared.
有一天，岛上的作物枯萎，渔获消失。
One day, the island's crops failed and fish disappeared. Grandma Tala told Moana the truth. A demigod named Maui had stolen the heart of the island goddess Te Fiti, causing darkness to spread.
祖母塔拉告诉莫娜真相，半神毛衣偷走了女神特菲提的心脏，黑暗才因此扩散。
Grandma Tala told Moana the truth. A demigod named Maui had stolen the heart of the island goddess Te Fiti, causing darkness to spread. Only by returning the heart could the ocean be healed.
只有将心脏归还，大海才能恢复生机。
Only by returning the heart could the ocean be healed. Guided by her grandmother's spirit and the call of the ocean, Moana set sail alone.
在祖母的祝福与大海的召唤下，莫娜独自起航。
Guided by her grandmother's spirit and the call of the ocean, Moana set sail alone. After many storms, she found Maui, who at first refused to help.
历经风暴，她找到毛衣，但他一开始拒绝帮忙。
After many storms, she found Maui, who at first refused to help. Moana proved her courage and convinced Maui to join her quest.
莫娜展现勇气，说服毛衣一同踏上冒险。
Moana proved her courage and convinced Maui to join her quest. Together they faced fiery monsters, coconut pirates, and the giant crab Tamatoa.
他们一起面对火焰怪物、椰子海盗和巨蟹塔马托亚。
Together they faced fiery monsters, coconut pirates, and the giant crab Tamatoa. Step by step, Moana learned to sail by the stars and believe in herself.
一路上，莫娜学会以星星导航，更学会相信自己。
Step by step, Moana learned to sail by the stars and believe in herself. Finally, they reached Te Fiti's island, guarded by the lava demon Te Ka.
最后，他们到达由熔岩恶魔特卡守护的特菲提岛。
Finally, they reached Te Fiti's island, guarded by the lava demon Te Ka. Moana realized Te Ka was actually Te Fiti without her heart.
莫娜惊觉特卡其实就是失去心脏的特菲提。
Moana realized Te Ka was actually Te Fiti without her heart. She bravely approached and returned the heart.
她勇敢地走上前，将心脏归还。
She bravely approached and returned the heart. The darkness faded, flowers bloomed, and Te Fiti thanked Moana for her bravery.
黑暗退去，花草重生。特菲提感谢莫娜的勇气。
The darkness faded, flowers bloomed, and Te Fiti thanked Moana for her bravery. Maui apologized and received a new magical hook, learning humility.
毛衣道歉并得到新的神奇鱼钩，也学会了谦逊。
Maui apologized and received a new magical hook, learning humility. Moana sailed home, guided by the stars, and became a wise and adventurous chief.
莫娜顺着星光返航，成为一位聪慧又勇于探索的领袖。
Moana sailed home, guided by the stars, and became a wise and adventurous chief. Her people returned to voyaging, exploring the ocean with joy and courage.
她的族人重新起航，带着快乐与勇气探索海洋。
Her people returned to voyaging, exploring the ocean with joy and courage.